Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Halloween Cinnamoroll. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off in the center and let's draw the mouth. Let's draw a curve going out to the left, and then one out to the right. Next, let's hop up slightly and let's draw an oval on both sides for the eyes. Now let's move out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve out and bring it in. And the same thing on the right side. Next, let's connect it at the bottom with a curve across. Lastly, for the face, let's draw a curved oval on the sides for the cheeks. And that's it for the face. Next, let's hop up and draw the hat, starting with the bat. From the top right, let's draw a curve up for the side of the bat wing. Then for the top, let's draw 2 curves going in and 3 from the bottom. Next, let's draw the head. Let's start with a U-shaped curve. Then from the top, let's angle it down on both sides and a curve across the top. Now let's draw the other wing in the same way on the left. Let's draw 2 curves from the top, angling it up. Then let's curve it down, and then 3 curves back in at the bottom. Lastly, let's hop inside and let's add the face. Let's draw 2 small circles for the eyes. Then underneath for the mouth, let's draw a line across and 2 pointed V-shapes for the teeth. And that's it for the bat. Now let's draw the shape of the hat behind it. Let's start underneath and let's draw a curve across. And then for the end, let's curve it up and back in. And then another curve back over. Next, on top, let's draw a diagonal line up and bring it back down, forming the point of the hat. And lastly, at the bottom of the cone, let's draw another curved line across behind the bat. And that's it for the hat. Now let's move back down and draw the ears. Underneath the hat, let's draw a wavy line out and curve it down. And the same on the right side. Now for the end, let's curve it back in. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw a curve down on the left and on the right. Now underneath each line, let's add an angled oval for the feet. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a small curve next to each foot, and then a larger curve in the middle to finish off the bottom. Next, let's hop to the outside and let's draw the arms. Let's start again under the head and let's draw a curve down and bring it into the body. And the same on the right. Now above each arm, let's add the bat wings. Let's start with a curve down, and then 2 bumps back in. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's move in and draw the pumpkin. Let's start inside at the top and let's draw a curve down on the left and on the right. Now let's hop in the center and let's draw the pumpkin face. We'll start with 2 ovals for the eyes. And color both of these in black. Now underneath for the mouth, let's draw a line across in the center, then a V-shaped point on both sides for the teeth. And then another line out on both sides. And then let's add a U-shaped curve underneath to close off the mouth. And then color the mouth in black as well. And that's it for this Halloween Cinnamoroll. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!